If you're trying to verify your phone number and you keep getting this error message, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 proven ways that you can use to solve this problem. You know that before you be able to post videos longer than 15 minutes, add thumbnails to your videos, you need to verify your phone number. Now, the essence of doing this to make the YouTube algorithm to know that you are not a bot, that you are a human. All right. So, as a YouTuber, even if you're a beginner YouTuber, you need to verify your phone number. If you don't know about this thing before, then means you need to go there and verify your phone number. Maybe that is the reason why your videos has not gone viral, because YouTube is looking at you like a robot. All right. So, you need to verify your phone number to tell the YouTube algorithm that you are actually a human being. All right. So if this is the first time seeing my face, my name is Grace and you're welcome to my channel. What we do here is to share tips on how to grow on YouTube. I also tell you mistakes that you would want to avoid to keep growing here on YouTube. So if these are the videos you would like to watch, don't forget to like, comment and share. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. All right. Now, if you keep getting this problem, anytime you try to verify your phone number, there is a problem sending you a verification code. That means you don't need to worry, you don't need to panic. I'm here to share 4 proven ways that you can use to verify your phone number without any issue. All right. Trust me, if you follow this method I'm about to share with you, this issue will be resolved. All right. Now, if you are getting this error message, the first thing you need to do is to take a chill pill. Now, if you keep trying and trying, at the end of the day, YouTube might give you a temporary ban. So if you try it for the first and second time, if you see that they are not sending you a code, or they keep on telling you that there was error sending you a message or a code, please stop it at that moment. Relax, leave it for some moments, let's say a day or 2 days, before coming back to try it out. All right, because if you keep trying it, YouTube might give you a temporary ban and you wouldn't want that. Okay. Now, the second solution for me is to use an MTN line. If I've been using Glow before, if I've been trying with Glow, switch to MTN, because I think MTN works best when trying to verify your phone number here on YouTube. So if you find out that you're using a Glow SIM card, go ahead and switch to MTN SIM card, because MTN SIM card works best with YouTube phone number verification. Now, the third solution here is to change your browser. You know that there are a lot of browsers. If you find out that you are using Chrome and it keeps telling you the same thing, go ahead and change to Opera Mini. You know, there are a lot of there are a lot of browsers that you can switch over. So switch over to another browser and you see that it will definitely work. That means that you are logging in into your YouTube Studio dashboard with another browser. So if you find that you're using Chrome, anyone that you are using currently, go ahead and change to another browser and you'll see that you'll be able to verify your phone number. Okay. And another solution to this problem is that you should use another person's phone number. It must not be that the phone number should be from you. Do you understand? You can use anybody's phone number to verify your phone number verification to get your code on YouTube here. All right. So if you find out that your phone number is not working, try and get a relative phone number to verify, to get the code from YouTube here. All right, so that you'll be able to verify your phone number here on YouTube. You know, it's a one-time thing. Once your code is being sent, your channel will be verified. All right. So if your phone number is not working, go ahead and ask of phone number from a relative. Make sure the phone number you are using is not virtual phone number, it's not phone number gotten online, physical phone number. You understand that your family person has, or your friends, your family person has. Make sure the person is not using that phone number to do any payment online or run any Google payments. Do you understand? Make sure that phone number is a clean phone number. Trust me, once you implement this thing, it's going to work for you. All right. So the last but not the least solution is to use your mobile data and not a Wi-Fi. Do you understand? Try using your mobile data. So the thing is not working for them because they're using a Wi-Fi. You switch to mobile data. Do you understand? If you find out that Wi-Fi is not working for you. All right. Thank you for watching this video. We've come to the end of this video. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.